Okay, my name is Jesse Rocha Salazar. This is my project, RecoveryGO. It's a mobile application for recovery post-surgery, post-injury. It's meant to be used by the general public if they're recovering from an accident or surgery, also for doctors to manage their patients and their routines. Okay, my problem statement. The current recovery or rehabilitation solutions lack personalization and continuous support. Patients often face fragmented guidance, relying on paper plans or irregular clinic visits. Lack of real-time progress tracking makes it harder to adjust recovery plans dynamically. Limited communications and feedback between patients and healthcare providers slow improvement. Why this is important. It leads to slower recovery times and increased risk of setbacks, causes lower patient engagement and motivation, results in a higher long-term cost for patients and healthcare systems, missed opportunities to use AI-driven insight for production recovery plans. This is why the app matters. This is my burn down chart for Sprint 1. Unfortunately, I did not get all the tasks I wanted to do completed. This is a result to due to my lack of experience with independent projects. From this, I focused solely too much on one part of the project that I forgot about the rest. No, I didn't forget. I focused less on them. That resulted in me not completing every single task I needed to complete, resulting in a poorly executed project for Sprint 1, leading to me having more tasks to do next sprint. My reflection. Okay. Key challenges faced. Learning a new framework slowed my progress, rushed when I didn't have time for testing and polishing, focused heavily on one task, caused other tasks to remain unfinished, used too many new tools, introducing bugs, inconsistent quality in code. Plans for improvement, though, dedicate time for deep learning of the framework before future sprints, r- implement better sprint planning to balance task distribution, limit the number of new tools to maintain code consistency, add buffer times for testing and debugging in each sprint. AI tool usage. For this sprint, I used ChatGPT for debugging help, architect guidance, and quick explanations. V0 I use for UI generation and design suggestions. The purpose of usage. It accelerated my front-end development, clarified framework specifications, syntax, and logic, reduced time spent on routing code tasks. Benefits, the front end was mostly completed faster than expected, helpful for exploring multiple solutions and approaches. A major drawback was over-reliance caused confusion and extra bugs. Mix, mixing outputs from different AI tools led to poor code cohesion. Okay, let's move on to the demo. Using Expo Go, it's a mobile application using Expo. You can load your project directly on your phone. For example, from here, you're able to choose what type you are: athlete, senior, general user, or doctor, or therapist. Say athlete. From here, you're able to see the dashboard, select a plan. If you select browse plan, you're able to select this plan. If we have default options for now: knee recovery plan, lower back strength, shoulder mobility, or you create your own custom plan. Here, enter plan name, growth, set duration, describe it. This is what's planned for an eventual AI development. Say post knee surgery. and select some exercises. There you go. It ends up here on the dashboard. Just go on from there. Continue your routine. If you could each exercise you complete, you can also view it. 1 second. Once I get it to work, you should be able to see it here from the progress tracking. The amount of days you said, exercise accuracy, total time, AI plans. You could still select one of these. Shoulder mobility. From here, you're able to go to your settings, edit your profile, change password, text size. These are the planned, if I got these done during the sprint. Like contrast, routine reminders, set these up. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get these done, but from what I've learned, I should rely less on V0 when it switches from its traditional AI generated code, because I noticed these issues apparently appeared when I switched it from its usual language it uses to TypeScript. Yeah, TypeScript TSA. Okay, let me reload the app.